taper, we could go ahead and move on to the sides and use our gold FX to create our first guideline. We're also going to go ahead and get our foil shavers ready to shave off the sideburns and remove the stubble as much as possible. Here we're detailing the back taper as much as possible before we line up the sides. Now we're moving on to the side taper, and we're going to create our second guideline using our no guard all the way open. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way close and attack that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we could then move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Now that we're done setting in our other guideline, we could then move on to our clipperable comb method and debulk the sides. We're then going to use our 2 guard all the way open and our 3 guard all the way open to help us debulk and blend into the lower guards. Now that we're done detailing, we're then going to use our gold FX to line up the sides. I usually start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch near the ear area. Now that we're done lining up the sides, we could go ahead and move on to our C cup and start off at the bottom using the corners of the blade and work our way to the top arch. You also want to make sure you're not pressing too hard, especially when you're using the corners of the blade, because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. Moving out to the front line, we're going to use our Gold FX to make them as crispy as possible. Also, we're going to use our comb to comb all the baby hairs down and debulk them with the one guard all the way open. When you're using your trimmers, you always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Another recommendation I have is to use hairspray if the hair's shifting too much when you're lining them up. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and follow in the Instagram down below. We're also going to shave off all his facial hair on the sides and make his goatee as crispy as possible.